This is how you join the Ultimate Luxury Beauty Experience. Once you click on the link that's in the description of one of the YouTube videos, you should come to this screen, or it's going to take you to this screen which says welcome to MyMK. Go down to register now. If you already have an account, sign in. If you don't, put in your name here, email address, password, re-enter password, click on I'm over 18 years old, I agree to the terms, and remember me on this computer if you want it to remember you on your device. Since I already have an account, I'll show you how to get to that. I sign in and it brings me to my wish list. You also have a beauty profile you can update here. Wish list, which you can add products to a wish list. It will show you what's in your wish list. You can get reorder reminders. And just real quick, I'll show you how to add stuff to your wish list. Let's say I wanted this sunscreen on my wish list. Click on the sunscreen, click on Save to Wish List, and it is now in my wish list. I can view my wish list or continue shopping. I'm going to view the wish list to show you what it looks like. And there it is in my wish list. You can go back to menu. You can also go to the catalog. There you can find the latest Mary Kay lookbook. It'll give you some instructions on how to navigate through that. You can swipe through the pages. You'll be able to go through all the pages of the latest lookbook. And if you want to shop from there, you can click on the little shopping bag. It'll give you details about the product, and at the bottom you can hit the plus sign, how many you want. Go back to one, go back to the page of the lookbook. I didn't add it to my... You can go right to the products. Oh, add to bag or add to wish list. There we go.